Here I am going to explain you how the compound forms from the elements. Okay, so now here you can see we have a two hydrogen molecules. These are elements.
Yeah.
Okay, this is also oxygen. These are also elements. So, but they exist as a molecules. So now we have a two hydrogen molecules and we have a two oxygen molecules. And you can see oxygen molecules are bonded via a double bond, and hydrogen is bonded via a single bond. Now we have to make a water molecule. So how we can make it? So we have to do a chemical reaction. It's not a very easy reaction. Okay. So how we can do it? First we have to break the bond.
Yeah.
Okay. So how we are breaking the bond? Definitely we have to supply some energy. Then only we'll break the bond. Okay. So here I am just breaking like that. But reality you have to supply some energy. Then only bond will break. So now if I break it, so now I have a two hydrogen atoms.
Yeah.
Again, this one I am breaking. So I have a four hydrogen atoms.
Yeah.
Similarly, if I break this one, I have a
Two oxygen
two
atoms.
oxygen atoms.
To break double bonds, does it require more energy?
Exactly,
Of course.
very good. They've been very good. So double bond needs more energy because two bonds you have to
Yeah.
break. So now you are supplying energy. Now it's no more molecules. They are all atoms, hydrogen
Yeah.
atoms and oxygen atoms. Now they will start to rearrange with each other because you know for water molecules I need two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. Now what is happening? These two hydrogen atoms are coming and reacting with one oxygen atom. So they are making a new chemical bond. Clear?
Oh, they react with each other in such a manner that they
Form the water
Oh.
molecules. But in water molecule, you have to maintain that proportion. Just now you told no some proportion. So this is the proportion. Means one water molecule, you need two hydrogen atom, one oxygen atom. Now still we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I can see. Then atom. So I need two hydrogen atom, oxygen atom, and that means we are getting two water molecule. Two oxygen atoms are not reacting.
So do they form?
So
a
now what
molecule
they
then?
will yes now what they will do, they cannot exist as a atom, so they will
Double
now
bond.
they will make a double bond and make a O2 molecule. So that is like a extra O2 molecule which is not reacting.
Okay.
Okay, now this is called the chemical reactions. So if I suppose now if I write down the equation, how will be writing? What will be the chemical equation?
2H2O
2H2
plus O2.
plus
To
O2, but balance
it.
you have to balance it. No, to
Okay.
balance now here. How
How
many hydrogen we have add?
Yeah,
1,
four.
2, 3, 4. 4 hydrogen
Four
atom.
hydrogen.
So that means 2H2.
Yeah. 2H2.
And how many oxygen
Yeah,
atom
so
we had?
2H2.
O2.
Yeah.
O2. That means 2H2 plus 1 O2
Yeah.
giving you 2 molecule of water.
Yeah.
No.
So
Okay.
2H2O.
So if you want to again if you want to do it, I can make it. So total 4 hydrogen atoms means 4 hydrogen means 2 hydrogen molecules. You can see this is 2 hydrogen molecules and one O2 molecule. When they are reacting, we are getting 2 water molecules.
Yeah.
This is the balance 2H2 plus 1 O2, 2H2.
Yeah.
This is called chemical balance. Okay, you understand that how
So
the
that's
chemical
why
reactions.
every time H2 reacts with O2, it's always no. So there always has to be four hydrogen atoms to make water molecules.
Yes, exactly. That's why you understand the importance of balancing
Yeah.
the chemical equation. So from here, it is I think it is clear how the chemical reactions are happening, what is the chemical reaction, how the compound is forming, how the molecule is breaking to make the atom, then atoms rearrangement is happening, then is undergoing a chemical reactions and we are getting a new product. That's the molecule compounds we are getting. ठीक है तो these are not compounds, these are the molecules of the element, these are elements. ठीक है hydrogen elements, oxygen elements reacting, giving you a new compound, that is water
With different property.
but they have a different property. Water molecule is completely different property than hydrogen. Hydrogen property, as I told you,
Flammable.
hydrogen is flammable, oxygen helps in burning, but water we know water is distinguishing the fire. So you can now easily understand the difference between the elements and compounds. And it is not easy to break this water molecule and go back to this one, hydrogen and oxygen. It's extremely difficult process. So again you have to break these bonds and then you have to convert to hydrogen and oxygen.
Yeah.
And that is definitely not a easy process. Okay, it is clear.
Yeah.
Hmm?